What is up, guys? My name is Manu, and that over there is Mia, and we're here boating in the Lake Saimaa and in Lietvesi, to be more specific. As you saw in the last episode, we're still in the same spot as where we ended. The last episode is the next day, and it seems like the hottest period of the month that lasted for over 2 weeks it has come to an end, but it's still something like 30 degrees Celsius right now. But we have a good reason to believe that on the next night or in the next morning there's gonna be thunderstorms that are gonna cool down the weather just a little bit. So first of all, in this episode we're gonna prepare for the thunderstorm, probable thunderstorm, and so we are already in a quite calm spot because the wind is coming from that direction over there, so we are on the calm side of the island. But still, to be prepared enough, we're gonna take two ropes like that one and take it from the rear of the boat to those trees over there, and same to the other side also. And we're done. So we have the anchor line over there as it was, and then we have the thicker line going to that tree over there, and then the thinner line going to that perch over there. So I think we should be quite safe with this procedure for tonight. And yeah, let's just wait for the thunderstorm then. And then why I did put the lines like that is because it's not because of the thunderstorm, but the wind gusts that might come with it. So I can't be sure of the anchor that it will hold. It might start dragging even though it felt like it's on there very, very tight. But if the wind comes from that direction, it blows to the side of the boat and might drag the anchor. So now with these ropes, that is not actually possible anymore. So yeah, that's it. Some little bird is trying to get in. It is so tiny. It's something, the head is only 2 centimeters or less. Tuu katso.
Are you talking about me?
Yes.
No.
Ihan tuolla pieni.
Se on meidän vartaa mummo. Nyt se lähti.
Okay, it's 2 days later. The weather has changed, the wind has changed, but the thunderstorm never came, so I collected the ropes away, and yesterday it was a bit rainier day, so we just stayed put over here, and now the weather is a bit better, and now we're gonna move on into the next location. And because we have been in this same spot for a few days now, our batteries are draining just a bit, so we have to also charge the batteries with the engine, because it hasn't, the sun hasn't shined now, and the solar panels haven't charged anything, so we have to drive for a few hours just to charge the batteries. But yeah, it's not a nice day. It's something like 25 degrees Celsius, or is it? Yeah, pretty much like that, and it's partly cloudy. It seems like it might be some small rain showers during the day, but that's not a problem. So we're gonna lift the anchors and move on. So we are here in the greater Saimaa area, or Suur-Saimaa in Finnish. You can see the lake is a bit bigger than it has been so far. It's over there is Liittokiven selkä, over there is Munaluodon selkä. We're right now riding on the Varissaaren selkä, and we are heading towards Petraselkä. And this isn't even the biggest lake here on the Lake Saimaa, because over there somewhere, wait a second, over there somewhere is Yläniemi, and it's sort of like a big long and narrow island, and behind it is still one bigger lake than this is. Kohta. So Mia was asking, do I want some more coffee, and I said yes, of course. So this Saimaa area is quite extraordinary, because there's these areas where we used to be for the last 2 weeks, or what you have seen 2 or 3 episodes. There have been smaller lakes where the islands are a bit bigger and the lakes are smaller, and now we are here at the greater Saimaa, where the waters are much bigger. You can even notice them on the map if you look closely. But yeah, we are driving over here for today, charging the batteries, and we're gonna make some sort of loop over here and go back near Puumala, because we're gonna go there tomorrow, and Mia's family is coming to visit us, so we're gonna spend the day, and we're gonna spend the day with them tomorrow. But so yeah, that's it for this update.